Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can erase part of an image or erasing an object in Canva. So if you have an object from your photo that you don't want to show, like maybe there are multiple people and there is one person that is kind of blocking the view, you can remove that. In this example, I have this picture that I got from Canva library, and I'm going to remove this woman. So I'm going to select on the image and then go to edit. On the Magic Studio, I'm going to click Magic Eraser. So there are two methods. There is a brush method. There is also a click method. I do recommend using the click method because it's essentially AI trying to figure out the elements on this picture, and you can click on any of them to play around with it. Like you can move it, you can also remove the object entirely. So I do recommend using the click method. If that doesn't work, then you can use the brush technique, which basically you have to manually select the area that you want to remove, and this can be tedious depending on the size and also the complexity of the object, but I'm going to skip this process. I'm going to go with the click method. So let's click on this woman and I'm going to click erase. Now AI in Canva trying to remove this woman, and it will try to fill the background that used to be empty with some context based on the surrounding background. So I think the result is pretty good. Right now we got this preview that shows the background of the woman. It's not exactly perfect, but I think it's good enough. But there is a leftover. There is this laptop that's still here, and I think we have to remove it manually. So go to brush, and I'm going to use the brush size 20. Now let's select this laptop, and after that click erase. Only after that we are able to remove this laptop. So sometimes AI is not going to do its job properly, and we have to resort to the manual method. If you still see this artifact, you can repeat the process again until you get something that is very clean and basically indistinguishable from the real picture. So yeah, the manual part probably have to be done multiple times until you get something that is about right. So we got this result, and I think this is okay. And that's basically it. That's how you can remove part of an image or remove an object in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that was the case, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.